Windows updates on your computer can be very annoying, especially when you don't want to interrupt your whatever work you're doing and whatever you're doing. So, most times you just want your window the way it is and you don't want any update, all right? And you notice each time you connect your data, your window automatically update and boom, your data is finished, like is exhausted. You don't want that to keep happening over and over and over and over. And some of these updates are things that you don't really know about, all right? In as much as it is necessary for your computer, but you may not want them because they could be very, very annoying at times. So this is what to do to stop Windows update on Windows 8. All right. Uh, most people, go to normal update settings and then just change some settings, and the update stops, and they feel like okay, they've done everything, but that's not all that should be done. All right, updates can still be going on within the system because you've just done the peripheral, not everything. So I'm going to take you through everything right now. So let us stay tuned to the end of the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you like my video. Subscribe, like this video. Liking it make sure that the YouTube algorithm pushes it as far as possible. So share this video as well, comment as well, and then let's see. All right. So you're welcome right here. Now the first thing that we're gonna have to do right here is go to type window, hold down your window button and then arrow, and then this will come up, and then type in services.msc. all right, and then click on it, and then scroll all the way down here. You will see Windows update. This is it, and then you right click on it, view properties, and if it's running you have to click it to stop and then put it to disable. By the time you put it to disable, click apply and then click OK, and you're done with that section. Then the next section to go to is go to your computer. Let's say my computer, I'm gonna right click right here and so I'm going to right click right here and click on property and then click on Windows Update, and then you will see here Windows Update setting. You can see that installed update automatically, and you don't want that. Alright, so here what you're going to do right here is never check for updates. Alright, give me recommended updates, same way I receive important update. Uncheck this and click on never check on update and then okay it's all right. Your PC is up to date. All right, so meanwhile we've just changed the setting to never check for updates. All right, so I think we're all good now, and with that I think with that you are good to go. All right, you're good to go. So that's just simply what to do. So most persons just go to this section and then update it, and then they